Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the single crochet cluster stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and how to make the single crochet decrease. I have videos on all those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the single crochet cluster stitch. This is what it will look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to want to make chains in the multiple of 2. You will then work 2 rows alternating for however long you want your project. On the row that I'm currently working is going to be the row that you will work for your first row. I have started with 1 chain on my hook here. I'm going to work 1 single crochet into the first stitch, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, work a single in the next stitch, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, work a single in the next stitch, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, work a single in the next stitch. You will repeat this for the rest of your row. So again, this row I just made is going to be the first row you make into your original chains down here. This single crochet, chain 1, skip a chain or a stitch, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, and then repeat. So to start your next row, you're going to make 1 chain on your hook and turn your work. You will then make 1 single crochet into the first stitch right here. Now you can see there's an open space from a previous chain, and then next to it is a single crochet. In these 2 stitches or spaces, you're going to be working a single crochet decrease. You will then chain 1. Same thing, you're going to be working into these 2 spaces right here, and you're going to work a single crochet decrease. Chain 1. Same thing right here. You're just going to repeat this for the rest of your row. When you get to the last stitch of your row, you're going to make 1 regular single crochet. So like I said, you will alternate between these 2 rows for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the single crochet cluster stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.